Hello everyone, welcome here. Getting started to this course. Myself Shekhar Metla, I am the software industry expert from past 2 decades. This course master MySQL using generative AI tools like a ChatGPT. Yes, learning SQL using AI, which is a great option you are choosing. Nowadays, writing the manual SQL queries and creating a tables, understanding complex queries to taking a simple solutions using ChatGPT is very easy. So all together putting a strong foundation, hands-on sessions and taking in a support from AI tool to involving and attaching to our database to quickly how we can configure our real world database skills to learn. This course is prepared. And introduction, welcome here to use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down videos to complete program. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system to understand very clearly each and every lecture. How to get help? Check your knowledge using documents and notes which we have explained in detail. For instance, quick help, either choose ChatGPT or Google search to take a quick references. Submit your questions on asking QA forum for detailed what you have tried with the error code if you are facing. Share with us, definitely we will help you. How to approach the course? The best way to approach the course is to review videos with your practical hands-on sessions. Follow the video guide with extra notebook information for practice. Take a notes on every lecture hands-on how we explained step-by-step process to take a reach the level of success level in your the particular concept. Review certain information by reading examples, parts of video sessions, pause, play wherever it is required. Exercise and solutions. Yes, giving you a simple exercise and simple queries to solve the problem. Yes, also you may take a ChatGPT support to solve these simple assignment solutions over there. Thanking you.